Sleek, stylish, and most of all, really fun to drive. Meet the Honda Civic Sedan. It all starts with a fastback design, so wherever you're headed, you can lead the way while looking sharp. It also offers available 18-inch alloy wheels and standard LED headlights. Inside, you'll find plenty to catch your eye. The available 10.2-inch driver information interface makes it easy to stay up to speed. And if you need some perspective, you can find a new one, the available one-touch power moonroof. And if you want a more aggressive look to go with your exciting ride, check out the available HPD package.